I received these Wolfbird 12 by 42 HD binoculars as a gift. In this video, I'm showing the unboxing, features, and how they perform so you can really see the clarity for yourself. Right out of the box, these come with everything you need, including the binoculars, a phone adapter, and a tripod, which is really nice if you want to get a steady view or even record what you're seeing. The build feels really solid, but still lightweight enough to carry around easily, whether you're using them for birdwatching, hiking, or just general outdoor use. These have a 12 times magnification with a 42mm lens, so you're able to get a really clear and zoomed in view without feeling shaky or hard to focus. They also use a BAK4 prism lens with an FMC coating, which helps with brightness and clarity, especially in lower light conditions. In the video, I show how they look up close and how easy they are to adjust and focus. One thing I thought was really cool, I actually just did a review video on a rangefinder, and at the end of the video, I used that same location to show you the view through these binoculars. The flagpole I focus on is about 400 yards away, so you can see what the binoculars pick up. It gives you a really good real-world example of the clarity and zoom you're getting with these. The included phone adapter is also a great addition because it lets you line up your phone with the binoculars so you can capture what you're seeing. That's especially helpful if you want to record or take pictures from a distance. They're also waterproof, which is always a nice feature if you're using them outdoors in different conditions. Overall, these are a really solid pair of binoculars. They're clear, easy to use, and come with useful accessories like the tripod and phone adapter, which makes them even more versatile. And with the footage at the end of the video, you can really see how well they perform at a distance.